In AutoLISP, we are going to learn abs function. It means absolute function, which means abs function returns the absolute value of a number. And type ABS, then -100, then close the bracket. Now we can check what is the return value. Then you have to click here as like this, or else you have to select this one and go to load selection. This automatically show us Visual Lisp console. You can see here the value. So click on load selection. Here the value 100. It means it's ignored this minus. This is the idea behind the ABS function. Another example is here. Click on ABS function, then -100.715. So obviously we can imagine that the value is 100.75 will be returned. So click here. This automatically you can see here the in Visual Lisp console 100.75. Now this is a positive value. First, what will happen? We can see. Select this line and click on load selection. So value is 100. This always give us the positive value. It means minus or plus value for a number. The abs function will return a plus value. It means positive value. Now I am going to explain the alert function. The alert displays a dialog box containing an error or warning message. For example, open bracket, then type alert space, give a string value. This should be a string value. This is AutoLISP. This is my string value. Then close the bracket. Now I am going to check which value is this. So select those things and give the selection. Yes, in AutoCAD it automatically show as a dialog box. Now we move to next step. This is angle function. Angle function returns an angle in radians. If you have a line, then you have to pick 2 points. So automatically calculate the angle in radians. The function is open bracket, then angle, then point 1 and point 2. In this between 2 points, it will give the angle. Now we have to check. Open the bracket, type angle, then point 1 is (1.0), space 1.0, we close the bracket, then space, then open the bracket, then 1.0 space 4.0, then close and close further. This bracket returns this one, and this bracket for this one, this bracket for this one. The function. Now we can check it. Click this thing and give the load selection. The value is in radian 1.5708. This is the angle function. Now next function, ANGTOF, angle. It means angle to real number. This is the anchor comma. This function will work as if we have the decimal value of angle, then it will be converted into real number. This is the behind of anchor comma. So open bracket, type anchor, then space, then give the value in real number 45.000. Here inverted commas, it means the string value, then close the value and close. And we can check it, select this and load selection. Here this value, it means the decimal point value converted into real number. Now I am going to discuss anchors comma. Anchors converts an angular value in radian into a string. This command represented by open bracket, anchors comma, then angle. So this angle will be the radian value, and unit, which unit we want. It means from radian we can convert into decimal degrees. With the decimal degrees, then with the precision. The precision means we can control how many decimals we want. This is the angle toss command. But the following units may be specified. The units, which these are units, these units are specified. 0 here, this 0 is degree, and this 1 degree is minute second, and 2 radian, 3 radian. This 2 is called as rad, 3 called as radian, and fourth one surveyor's unit. It will be converted into S, 45D and E. This is called as bearing angle. Now I am going to explain anchors command. This anchors command is related to the following units. First one 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 means survey unit. Here, for example, I got this value angle toss, and this is radian, and 0. 0 means in degree. And I am controlling the precision as 4th value. This is example. Now we can compile it. Select this line and give load. Here we can see 4 precision. So 4 precision here and 45. The 45 is called as degree. This is the meaning of this command. Now I am going to change my precision as 0. So select this line and click load. Here you can see no any precision, only the value. Right now anchors and radian values here is already be seen as 45 degree. Now I am going to clear it, clear console window. Now you can see here angle and give the radian, and 4. 4 means survey unit. It means bearing angle. So here the 4 and 2. 2 means I am controlling the precision as 2. So select this line and give load selection. See here from north 45 degree 0 minutes and going E. This is the angle of this one. Now I am going to control this precision as 3. So I am copying this one and give enter, then paste this value. Now I am going to change 3. So select this line, then load selection. You can see here north 45 degree then 0 minutes and 0 seconds. This is the main idea behind of this hang-tos command. We are going to move little bit advanced command. This command called as append. Append takes any number of lists and appends them together. The idea is combine or merge list. The append command. Here append, this is set of value A and B. This is set of value C and D. I am going to merge these sets. So command is this, open bracket, append and AB and CD. Now we can compile it, select this one and load. You can see here in console window, here A, B, C, D. Those 4 letters are merged together. Right? Next example, append bracket A, bracket B, bracket C, bracket D. I am merging those things. So click on load. You can see here, this is the merged value. Okay. Now the normal coordinate always x value and y value. But in Lisp we can use comma. But this append command help us to create coordinate with comma. So we can see that the main idea 1, x value is 1 comma, y value 4. So I wrote this one and select this line and give the load selection. You can see here is automatically converted into coordinate. It means this is x value comma y value. The main idea of append is merge 2 or more letters or strings. Eight of command. 8 of command converts a string into a real number. The command is 8 of and give the string. This string should be in inverted commas. This is the string. Right? Now the command is 8 of and in between inverted commas I type 97.23. This is string. This is the string. Why? Because of these 2 inverted commas. The symbol of string. So I am going to select this one and load. Here you can see no any inverted comma. It means it converted into real number. And also next example, here the minus value, this also string. Now I am going to convert into real number. Right? Select this selection and load selection. Here you can realize that this minus is here and 97.23 is here. Because of this is called as real number. In this video, last command, ATOI. ATOI converts the string into an integer. Here, ATOI command and the string value. So, load selection and compile. So, come as integer number. Here, ATOI, A value, here 0. It means we can't convert a text value. So, but the minus value you can convert it to minus 97. If you want to find the A value, you can use ASCII command. type as ASCII, then inverted commas, put a letter, then select float selection, see here, ASCII value 65, ASCII value for B 66, ASCII value for C 67. Likewise, you can find out the letters ASCII number.